Greetings, everyone. Welcome to Just One Good Trade. My name is Gerard. I am the head trader and coach of Just One Good Trade. Today, you will get to see how I trade, why I take certain trade. I will do my best to express the reasons why this trade is a trade that I'm willing to take a risk on, why I should exit, why I will exit, and you will also see my reasoning in trade continuation. By this, I mean you don't really know when to stop, but you have an idea when the trade is still going, when there's momentum, and you can expect more. Right now, it's 8:24. The market, with futures, the market really starts moving around 8:30. So before then, what I do, I survey the market and I look for an idea what is happening. So for example, from here, yesterday, I would say from 4, the market has been slowly rising, and now there's a definite break, as you can see, and it started happening this morning. There's been a break on the 400 chart, meaning that on the 400 chart, it is showing that there's a chance that the market continues to go down. Now, to go down, there are a couple of lines or support lines that really need to be broken. So first of all, the granddaddy of all, you have this line, which maybe I will put here. Now you also have this line, which is a very central line. I will also make it this color. And then you have those two lines here, which are very, very interesting because as you can tell, there is a support line here, there is another support line here, and it's not breaking. Is it gonna go back up? I don't quite know yet. But all I know is the idea is we prepare ourselves mentally for those breaks. Now there's also this line here. My strategy involves breaking moving averages, which are exemplified by those lines, but also breaking support and resistance lines. I don't necessarily place a trade right at 8:30, 8:31. I prefer waiting around 8:33 to 8:38 when the market settles down a little bit. And then if a trade presents itself and it meets my requirement of a safe, good trade, I will take it. And again, all I need, and all maybe you need, is just one good trade. You need just one good trade of 3 to 5 points and call it a day, and have the temperance, the patience, and the discipline to grow on a daily basis. If this year has shown something to me, and I've proven and demonstrated with my high and lows of the high and lows of my performance, the high and lows of my mental acuity, the high and lows of my discipline, is that there's always another day. And second, be true to yourself, your strategy, and your commitments. Now, this is the 400 chart where we were able to build some support and resistance lines and at least have an idea what we're expecting. If we want a trade to go down, it needs to break all those lines. So from here, let's say from here to here, that's 8 point. 8 point is great. I can do a lot with 8 points. Now let's look at the 1200 chart. 1200 chart shows, look at that. I really like the fact that the market often gives you this sense of magic. And what magic am I referring to? I'm referring to the fact that, see here, it's not breaking those lines. It's not breaking, and that is a form of consolidation period. Now what I'm going to do on a 1200 ticks is draw other lines just to remind myself of what needs to be broken. So I'm going to put this line here I'm going to add a line here as well. That way I'm aware. I'm going to put this line maybe blue. And then this line, which I don't know where it's coming from. Let's see. Further down. Oh, previous trade. Look at that. The previous support line. And here. I'm going to add this line here as a potential slam dunk. Slam dunk. Okay. This is a 1200 chart, which is giving us an idea of what we need to break. Now, that being said, would the market start going up? What are the lines that we need to pay attention to? That's also a very legitimate answer. So I'm going to put a line here, support line is going to put this, and then a support line here. So you're going to put that. I'm going to put this line green. 830. I dare not even look because we know how a mayhem it is right now. But we have to face our fears. This line. So let's see what's happening right now. Okay. You have a situation where, so based on these two, we don't really know if price action is going up or down. It's not breaking this line, so we're just going to it. Lastly, I'm going to add that I have been trading for 9 years, and every day brings its own unique set of circumstances. Every day will bring a little bit of stress. Some call it chocolate, others call it stress. Every day will challenge you. Every day will bring you to experience your best or your worst. Now, what time is it? Okay, so it's almost 8:32. Is price action going to cross those lines? Sure, if it does, let us see. Again, so there's a chance. Again, I enter trades based on the confirmation. So right now it's breaking, meaning I will enter in the next candle, the one where I'm gonna put a line here, the one that breaks this low here. That is what I'm aiming to do. If indeed it is a trade, there's momentum to go. 8:32. And use your breathing technique to calm yourself, collect your thoughts, and do the right thing by your strategy. Right now, it has to cross this line. I'm going to put this line red in case it crosses, then reverses, then I know my mind will tell me that there's a chance it will not continue down. 8:32, 8:33. There's a chance this is a consolidation period. Preparing myself. Okay. Is it gonna break the line? Okay, I'm in.
Filled. Position opened.
Let's see if it will continue. Hopefully it does. Let's see if it will at least get to this line. We have 1 point. There's a chance it continues. Perfect. So it touched this line. Let's see what it will do. Is it going to continue? It would be great if it continues. If not, we need to pay attention to its behavior. I need to put a line here. I'm paying attention to the market. On this side, ooh. Okay, it's reversing. I'm going to put a line here. A red line. That way I know if it pushes back that. We need to exit. It would be great if it crosses the previous low. So that's the second try. It needs to cross it and give us at least 2 points. Is it going to continue? Wonderful, we have 4 points. Here is 5 points from here to 6, to 4. Okay, wonderful. Wonderful. Sometimes the market gives us these wonderful gifts. Is it going to touch this line? Again. Wonderful. Wow. Oh, okay. So that being said, we need to pay attention to where the market is going right now because that's a big move. That's a big move. I don't know if it will reverse. Ooh, no, don't reverse now. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. I don't trust unless it reverses back down. Okay, I'm out because this is
closed.
huge. This is a huge reversal from 2219. That's like 3 points right away. How much did we make? 600. Okay. And again, that's the one good trade, right? That is the one good trade we're looking for. You made 6 points, which I'm very grateful for. That's a very sudden reversal, I will admit. We very, very grateful for what we've created. Now, again, we exited at the right point because from here, let's say 219 to here, 222, that's 3 points reversal. That's a lot. That's a lot. Now, is there a chance it continues down? Yes. Am I going to risk what I made today? No. I think this is enough. This is really enough. By the way, this is an amazing trade. This is a very good trade. You can see the analysis that we took. We studied the market. We noticed that was going to go down. We waited until, what time is this? This is 8:31. We waited to get into a trade at, let's see. We waited to get into this trade. What time did we get in this trade? Not quite sure. Let me check. Look at this. Just went back up, taking all of our little profits. 8:35. We entered this trade at 8:35. Is it here? This trade? Or did we exit at 8:35? Yes, we exited somewhere here. We exited somewhere here at 8:35. Which is unfortunate because it would have been great if the market continued down. We exited here and we got somewhere here. Again, the market is possibly going to go down, but we made our trade. We got our one good trade, and we're happy with that. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you for looking at what we've created, and thank you for your patience. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know. If you need some advice with your strategy, also let me know. I really enjoy looking at your strategy and understanding the gap between the actions taken from your strategies or the action inspired by your mental state of mind. The mental state, I believe, is the most important aspect. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. And remember, all you need is just one.